Team 3 weather with Tom Kiffin.
And it is a chilly evening across upper Michigan. It's been a chilly day today, especially closer to the Lake Superior shoreline, but it's been quiet. We do have the weather conditions that are expected to go downhill, though, as we go into Tuesday night. As we go to our temperatures right now, you can see temperatures are colder closer to the Lake Superior shoreline. That's where we do have a current temperature of 21 for Sawyer International, 21 also for Houghton, and 22 degrees for Munising. Low temperatures this morning. It was cold as 12 below zero at Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin, right there on the Michigan-Wisconsin border. We also had 2 below zero for Ironwood, 7 for Sawyer International, 8 this morning for Escanaba, 12 for Manistee, and 5 for Newberry. Current temperature, or excuse me, high temperatures for today were in the 30s across the interior west along the Michigan-Wisconsin border. Even Escanaba made it to 30 degrees, 21 today for Sawyer International. So it's chilly today. It's going to turn very cold tonight, but no weather issues tonight. More clouds Tuesday out ahead of a storm system that's going to bring us wintry precipitation to start Tuesday night, but the storm system just doesn't end on Tuesday night. It looks like it's going to continue through Thursday night on into Friday. High pressure in control right now. That's why we have quiet weather, but here comes the storm system that's going to bring us a wintry mess starting Tuesday night, continuing on into Wednesday morning, and then as we get into Wednesday afternoon, enough mild air gets in here where a good part of the UP does go over to all rain, and then behind it, here comes your colder air, and then you can see these lines here kind of packed in together. That means that we're going to see windy conditions as we get into Wednesday night on into the daytime on Thursday as this strong low pulls on off towards the north and towards the east. So future weather, nothing tonight, even mostly clear skies throughout the day. Tomorrow we're going to see the clouds pick up the pace throughout the day, and as we head into Tuesday night here, most of the day's dry. It's Tuesday night is when the precipitation starts to show up in the form of sleet, freezing rain, and also some snow. But watch what happens as we get you into Wednesday. We are looking at the majority of the precipitation, especially in the central and east, to go over to rain. West of Marquette, though, different story. We could see the wintry precipitation hang on, and especially in the higher terrain as well. And then watch what happens as we go into your Wednesday night here. We're looking at the wintry precipitation. You can see even the snow here back across the far western UP. As that low starts to move on off towards the north and east, here comes the wintry precipitation coming back in from west to east around here, and we're looking at predominantly snow around here for a good part of the UP as we go into Thursday afternoon. Snowfall here. We're not looking at much in the way of snowfall tomorrow night on into the daytime on Wednesday. Sure, it could add up a little bit, but watch what happens as we go on Wednesday night on into Thursday. There's your numbers adding on up. Marquette, Gwinn, westward into the Keweenaw Peninsula, and also western UP, where we will have lighter amounts as you go into the eastern UP. Once again, this is Wednesday night on into the daytime on Thursday. And then look for the ice to add on up as we go into Tuesday night on into Wednesday. And in fact, we could see 1/10 to 1/4 inch of ice here from about Marquette going westward into the higher terrain west of Marquette and also closer to the Michigan-Wisconsin border. Elsewhere Tuesday night, we could see a glaze of ice. And then as we take you into your daytime hours on, or excuse me, as we go into the nighttime hours on Wednesday on into Thursday morning, could pick up a little bit more in the way of freezing rain across the eastern UP. So simply put, what's ahead? Tomorrow night, Tuesday night, wintry precipitation, and that includes snow, sleet, and freezing rain. But on Wednesday, the majority of it switches over to rain, but wintry precipitation may hang on west of Marquette, especially in the higher terrain areas. Wednesday night on into Thursday, though, it becomes windy as colder air comes back in, and we're going to see wintry precipitation return, and that may include snow, and we might see some good snow as well, especially as you go into the western UP, especially into the higher terrain areas of the western UP, Keweenaw Peninsula, and also west of Marquette. 7 tonight for Houghton and Hancock in our community forecast. 6 tonight, Barrick and Lance. As we take you over to the interior west, it's going to get quite cold here tonight, but it will be dry. 8 tonight for Ironwood, 2 for Iron River, 3 tonight Crystal Falls, 5 tonight for Iron Mountain. Across the south central UP, we're looking at low temperatures tonight around 6 for Powers, 3 for Rock, 9 tonight for Manistee, and 7 tonight Curtis, Seney, and Germ Fast. Into the east, we're looking at low temperatures tonight around 1 for Newberry. Not as cold along the immediate Lake Superior shoreline, though. 10 for Grand Marais, 10 tonight for Munising, and 2 tonight for Trenary, so it gets quite cold as you go inland. And then in and around Marquette County, we're looking at 10 for the Marquette Lakeshore, but head inland, 3 tonight for Gwinn, and 2 tonight for Ishpeming and Negaunee. For Marquette for the next 7 days. 35 tomorrow, but more afternoon clouds. 30 tomorrow night. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain moves on in. And I think for the city of Marquette itself, we go to rain on Wednesday, but head up west into the higher terrain. We may hang on to wintry precipitation, especially in the Michigamme Highlands. And then we're back to wintry precipitation and snow Wednesday night on into Thursday. And it could get windy as well here. Friday, some snow showers and gusty winds. Escanaba, 35 tomorrow, more afternoon clouds, wintry precipitation Tuesday night on into Wednesday morning. And then I think on Wednesday we're all rain. And then we'll start to change it back over to wintry precipitation along with windy conditions on Thursday. Some snow showers may linger on Friday along with gusty winds.